Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Flo, aka The Blended Beauty, and this is my first video of 2021. So thank you again for sharing space with me here, and I have something so excited. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be my first impressions from Humanrace, which is Pharrell Williams skincare line. If you know me just a little bit, you know that I am obsessed with anything Pharrell, Neptune's, NERD, Virginia Beach, any of that. Pharrell NERD has just been in my life for so long, and the fact that he made a skincare line and I'm skincare beauty obsessed, it's like, of course I'm going to be reviewing this. So number one, I did want to go ahead and share what the box looked like and what it came in. So this is the box, and this is the actual box. The kit is what I got. I got the routine pack, and I believe I paid with shipping $110 for this. So number one, just in packaging alone, I love that it was not so much packaging. I know Amazon is really bad at that, but I'm glad that they paid attention to that and saw that there is really no means to making this into like a big old box. And I love also in this packaging that it does have Braille right here. So it really is inclined in terms of inclusivity and being a skincare line that is gender neutral. So not for just women, not just for men, but for everybody. So I loved that. And in the kit, it comes with 3 products. There are 3 mainstays in terms of products. It comes with their rice powder cleanser, which looks like this. It comes with the Lotus Enzyme Exfoliator, and then it comes with the Humidity Cream. So I am actually going to go into some clips that I actually filmed, and then I'm just going to describe my first thoughts on this. So if you are interested in that, keep on watching. This is the rice powder cleanser. So it features fruit AHAs, snow mushroom, and geranium, and it has a pH level of 5.6. So I love that it is a low water formula. It has kaolin clay to detoxify, snow mushroom to hydrate, and it just doesn't strip the skin. It was really cool because you can control how much powder you use to make it more of a grittier paste, or if you want it to have more of a lather, and I love mine as a lathering option. The Lotus Enzyme Exfoliator has 8% glycolic acid, 2% fruit AHAs, and micronized rice particles. It does a great job of improving texture and brightening my complexion. I use this about 2 or 3 times a week, and it's just really great for congested pores. The Humidifying Cream is my favorite out of the bunch. It is this pudding-like gel cream texture that features snow mushroom, hyaluronic acid, and squalane for really great moisture, but it also features cica to reduce inflammation, which I love. Giveaway time. So I am going to be giving away the routine pack with all 3 of these products. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at The Blended Beauty, DM me your favorite Pharrell or Neptune song, and share this video on IG stories. Okay guys, well that wraps the video. I really hope that watching this helps you make the decision that you want if you decide if you do want to buy this whole kit or if you just want to buy 1 or 2 products from the line. They're consistently selling out, so I suggest that you go ahead and subscribe and then make sure that you get that email notification when they do drop. Again, they're vegan, cruelty-free, gender neutral, fragrance-free, and I just feel like they really did a really great job of making sure that anybody could try this line. You know, with Pharrell working with Dr. Elena Jones, which is the dermatologist that he's been seeing for the past 20 years, I feel like it really they really thought about this and really made this a brand that we can really see some exciting things from. I just watched an IGTV from Humanrace, their Instagram, and they said they're going to be making sunscreen and body sunscreen. So I cannot wait for that. But tell me down below in the comments, is this something that you're going to be buying? Are you interested in that? Or what do you think about celebrity skincare lines? Let me know down below. Bye.